In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a personal access token in Supabase. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the dashboard, what to click, and how to store your token safely so you can use it with your tools and automations. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Supabase dashboard at supabase.com dashboard. Sign in with your usual method. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard for your projects. A personal access token is like a password you can use from the command line or other services to talk to Supabase without logging in through the browser, so treat it carefully. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile or user icon. Click it to open the account menu. From that menu, choose Account Preferences or the closest option available. The wording can vary slightly over time, but it will be your general account settings area rather than a project-specific page. Inside Account Preferences, check the left-hand sidebar for access tokens and click it. This section lists any tokens you've already created and is the place to generate a new one. If you don't see any tokens yet, that's normal. To create a new token, click the button labeled Generate New Token or a similarly named button. You'll be prompted to give the token a name. Pick something clear and descriptive so you'll recognize it later, like CI token for continuous integration or MCP token for a specific tool. Avoid putting any sensitive details in the name. It's just a label to help you identify what the token is for. When you're happy with the name, confirm to generate the token. Right after you generate it, Supabase will show you the token value one time. This is your only chance to copy it, so select the full token and copy it immediately. If there's a copy icon, use it to reduce the chance of missing characters. Consider pasting it somewhere temporarily just to verify you captured the entire string. Finally, store the token securely. Good options include a secrets manager, an environment variable in your development or deployment environment, or a password manager. Never commit the token to version control, share it in public places, or paste it into screenshots. If you think the token has been exposed, return to this same Access Tokens page and revoke it, then generate a new one. That's it. You've created a personal access token in Supabase and saved it safely for future use. Thanks for watching, and happy building.